Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. And today I'm going to be playing with my new palette. I finally got my Glamlite X Willy Wonka palette. I ordered the palette. I didn't get the full collection. I ordered the palette. That's what I was really interested in. So I got that one. I have it right here. Isn't it cute? So if you want to see the whole swatches, unboxing, trying it on, doing multiple looks with it, then keep on watching. So I'm going to open it up in front of you. I mean, look at the little bag. It's like the chocolate. Now, to be honest and fair, I'm not like a super huge fan of Willy Wonka. I know. I'm one of the few. I did see it a very long time ago. I don't even remember how old I was. Maybe in my late teens or... I don't remember. I don't know when this came out. This movie came out. I have no idea. But I know I saw it once ages ago. I don't remember at all the movie, so I don't know the references or anything like that. Just so you know. Just so you know. I mean, first of all, look at this. Look at the back of it. The ingredients and everything. I mean, this is just funny. It says here, 1 palette per serving. I don't know if you can see that. And then it says here, total glamour 100%, saturated sparkle 30%, and then it says sweetness 80%, chocolate scented 150. Now I already opened this because I was doing a reel and the swatches and all that. It didn't smell like chocolate to me. It didn't smell like chocolate to me, so I don't know. But anyway, you open it up, you get the palette out, which by the way, the palette looks like chocolate bar, like the ones that have multiples, like the Hershey's one that you could break. That's what it looks like. This is the back. I mean, that is super cute. Plus you get a golden ticket. Let me show you up close. This is the back. I believe this is very important for the movie. There was like a prize or something. You would get like if you had a golden ticket in your bar, you go into the factory for free or something like that. Well, it is fun that she included that in the palette, but I think, this is just my little opinion, I think it would have been better if only some palettes would bring the golden ticket, because then you'd be like trying to see, oh, did I get the golden ticket? And it would be like a little bit more special if you did get one of the golden tickets. But everybody gets a golden ticket and it's like everybody gets it. I don't know. I would have made it just a couple of palettes would have the golden ticket, and then the rest, well, you are a loser. You will not be a loser because you're still getting a beautiful palette, so you're still a winner. So these are the shades. Stunning. Very beautiful. It says up here Willy Wonka. Super cute. It brings the mirror. I mean, gorgeous shades. When I was doing the swatches, you got to see those shimmers. Let me show you the swatches now. So, as you can see by the swatches, those shimmers, wow. I did notice that these two seem more like a topper when I swatched it. I could be wrong, I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. But the rest are wham bam in your face. And then for the mattes, I love all the mattes. Now the purples didn't swatch so good. Like, I believe it was this one, and this one, and there was another color too. I think it was this one, I'm not sure. The swatches, it didn't swatch very well, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's not going to work great on your eyes. So, you know, I will be trying those shades specifically to see if, you know, they work great, or they blend well, or if they're patchy and blend away and all that stuff. But for the first look, I think I'm going to stick to this side. So let me go ahead and show you that look first. Alright, so for this look, I want to do a subtle, simple look. an everyday type of look, and I think I'm going to stick to this side over here because it's more on the softer neutral side. And I'm going to start with this shade right here, which is called Lollipop. I love the packaging to this, honestly, so beautiful. It does not smell like candy or chocolate, so I know a lot of people thought it was gonna have a scent like sweet or something like that, but this one doesn't. Build this up here in the crease area and taking it higher because I have hooded eyes. Take it a little bit higher. And this is actually more pinkish. I did not think it was gonna be this pink. It's like a muted pink, like a brown pink. I don't know how to describe it, but it's beautiful. It's like a toned down pink. I'm also going to put that at the lower lash line. Just keeping it simple. I'm not going to use that many shades for this one. Let's see how that goes because I always say that and then I end up using like 4 shades. So I think I'm going to take the darkest shade. But very, 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 very little of it. Very little, just a little tap. And that was called Coffee Cream. I just put this in the outer corner a little bit only, just to darken that area a little tiny bit. Barely nothing in my brush, just to create the illusion of a little lift over here because I do have droopy eyes as well. Okay, so check this out. Very deceiving. That one is like a brown when you see it, right? Looks brown, right? But then mixed with that first shade, it creates this shade, which is like a pink shade. It creates it more deeper with that same pinkish hue. Very interesting. I'm not mad about it, but I did not expect that at all. So something like that, just in the outer corner. And I'm gonna apply my NYX primer, glitter primer, to try one of the shimmers. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use a Wonka bar. This one. Oh wow, that is gorgeous and sparkly. Look at that. Very beautiful. I am not surprised that I was gonna like it. Glamlite's formula is always fantastic. So let me perfect this here so I can move to the lower lash line. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna add a little bit of this with an angle brush to get really close to the lash line and darken this little area here. So I mainly stuck with 3 mattes for this look and 1 shimmer. I still use 4 shades. So far, all of them are working great. And let me just take the biggest, fluffiest brush that I have and take the lightest shade of the palette, which I think it's this one. I think it's that one, or it could be this one as well. Yeah, that one's the lightest. Take that one and just go all around the edges to soften everything. Just a good little hack at the end to get that nice blended look and no harsh lines. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. I forgot to record the after, but here is the makeup. Loving it so far, that shimmer. Hopefully you can see that. It sparkles so much. It's just awesome. I love it. So this is one of the looks, the more simple look, and I love it. And let's go on with the next one. Okay, so for today's look, I think I'm gonna stick with the purple and the pink over here on this side, and I'm gonna start with this one, which is called Golden Ticket. Yeah. And then this one's called Fudge. Shouldn't this one, wait, shouldn't this one be called Golden Ticket? Isn't the ticket gold? I don't know, but that's what it says. No, first I'm going to start with Violet. let me start with this one first so I can get that one out of the way. It's the lightest one with a big fluffy brush here. Put that all over my eye. Let me put this way and start applying this here. This is more like a pastel violet color, so those tend to not really show up on my skin tone for some reason, but I wanted to use it and see how I like it, so that's why I started with this one, since it's the lightest of all the purples. I'm gonna put this really high up here. You can barely see it, but that's just me. That's a me thing. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that pink shade called Golden Ticket. Put that more on my crease and above. See how that one performs. It's a very beautiful pink. I haven't done a pink eye look in forever. I don't remember when was the last time. I know it's been a long time, so I'm excited to play with this one. Who else got this palette? Let me know. Did you get the full collection or just a palette or a few items? Let me know. I haven't seen that many videos of it as of today that I'm filming this. I'm pre-filming this. This video is going to be up with my Vlogmas series, so I'm filming it like a week prior to when it goes up. So, but I haven't seen any videos yet. Okay, now that I have that down, I'm going to go in with Golden Egg. Down here, I guess there was a golden egg in the movie. I can't remember that part. Funny thing is that when I was doing a reel for this palette, I did a reel, a shorts, and a TikTok short content, showing you the palette, those swatches, and when I was editing the music part, I was gonna choose like a Willy Wonka, see if they had any songs. Oh, they do. And that's when I remembered, oh, that's why I didn't like the movie. I'm not a fan of musicals. So yeah, I quickly remembered why I didn't really like the movie. I think I would have preferred the movie if it didn't have so many songs. That's just me. A lot of people love musicals. Ooh, I love this purple. This purple is gorgeous. Love that. Yes, because it's not like a warm purple that you typically see. This is more like a cool tone purple, which is the ones that I like, and it's working pretty good so far. No patchiness. So let's see, let's continue. Ooh, I'm loving this. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm gonna kind of wing this out a little bit, but not that much, because I don't want to make it too dramatic. Just a little bit over here to create a little lift for my droopy eyes. Because your girl has droopy eyes. Not only hooded eyes, but droopy eyes as well. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush and I'm gonna use, do I want to deepen it up more or leave it like that? I think I'm gonna go in with the lower lash line and use, let me see, I tried that one, I'm gonna go in with Blueberry. Did I try this one? I don't even know anymore. And surprisingly enough, with that darker purple, I didn't get any fallout, which I thought I was gonna get some fallout, but no, I didn't. I was like, oh god, please please don't get fallout. Because I'm testing out this foundation, it's new, plus that video will be up, I think, after this one, before or after, I don't know in what order I'm gonna put them. And I didn't want to get any fallout and mess the base, and so far so good. Let me just emphasize the pink again in here, and now I'm gonna move on to the shimmers. Let me add my glitter primer by NYX and I'll be back. Okay, so there's like 3 options over here of the purple. That have this one, and this one. All freaking gorgeous. I think I'm gonna try this one in the outer corner over here. Oh, so pretty, So metallic and shiny. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous purple. And then in the middle tone, right up in here. Oh, so pretty. This is more warm on the warm side, more like on the pink side. Right in the center, and then in the inner part I'm gonna go in with the lightest, which is called, not the lightest, but second to lightest, is called Oompa Loompa, which is this one. Place that right up in here in the inner portion. These are so soft, by the way, so soft, and I'm not getting any fallout. How is that possible? How is that possible? Is it because I'm using my finger? I don't get it. That's never happened before. They're gorgeous. What? Just add that darker shade here a little bit and show you up close. I am loving this. Gorgeous. Now with an angle brush, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade, which is Golden Egg again. Put that really close up in here and connect it outside. I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner in the waterline, mascara, finish up the eye, and I'll be back. Okay, so honestly, I spoke too soon on the fallout. I got a little bit of glitter fallout right over here. I'm gonna try to take it out with tape. I'll be back. Wonka Vision in the waterline. Super pretty. That's the lightest shimmer. Very pretty. Got the lashes done. I put this Crystal Crush metallic cream gel eyeliner from ColourPop in the waterline. I put my Tower 28 mascara and these Poppy and Ivy lashes. Everything's good. I like this look so much. I'm fully glam and nowhere to go. But at least I'm gonna be full glam on my couch. I'm looking at everything closely. I don't see any patches. I don't see any fading away or anything like that. This is so freaking good. I love this. So there you have it, my friends. 2 looks with this palette, which by the way, I gotta say that I love it. It's great quality. I gotta admit that I was a little bit scared when I did the swatches. I was like, oh, I think those purples are gonna be like patchy or fade away or something, but I tried them and they worked great. It gave me no issues, so I'm super happy with that and relieved. The shimmers are all just stunning, glittery, shiny. You can see it a mile away. They're so good. Glamlite shimmers are so freaking good. You gotta let me know what was your favorite look, the subtle one, the more softer one, or this one, which I think I'm liking this one more because it has a lot of purple and that cool tone purple that I love. Ooh, and I love the shimmers that I used in this one. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye.